Now, those baby birds that I found, I tried to save them, but you know how they ended up passing. But I threw them in here. Now, have you ever seen a potato bugs? I threw it in here because I knew this bioactive soil right here. All these creatures in here. Well, literally, this would be food for them. Because in the wild, this is what would happen. It'd be on the ground. And the bugs would end up eating it. But look at it. Potato bugs sitting there eating the skin off of it. I came out here and they were literally just devouring this. His eyeball came out, or is that his jawbone? But that is cool. Never seen a potato bug sitting there eat. Okay, let's see. Stupid iPhone won't focus. I have the other one right over here. They are literally all over it. Can't even see it. Did they literally bury it? No, there's a foot. They literally must have buried it. Oh man, yeah, look at that big guy right there. Now see, there's flies out here earlier. So I covered this one up with that piece of grass. Literally, that piece of grass right there. Just so I figured because they would get to it a little quicker because it'd be dark. But they are literally devouring that thing. Oh, there's a cat getting into it.
Into what?
You didn't hear that cat meowing over there? Getting into it, a fight.
Oh.
Alright. Here, hold this for a second.
Yeah.
Come over here this side.
I've heard a bunch of cats always get into fights.
Alright, because I want to move that moss back just a little bit. No, keep the flashlight there.
Sorry.
Yeah. There's that piece of little moss. Alright, go get my tweezers that's on the fish tank. My tongs for feeding. Thank you. Oh, you can see the ribs. Literally, this was my bioactive enclosure for my brown and Knowles. And I finally got my L134 zebra plecos, so I had to make room.
She says she still hears noises in the basement.
Alright, it's probably a cat, but I'll get it. Alright, hold the flashlight. I need to invest in a bipod. Alright, just like that. Because if you look right here, see on the video, or on the phone, see that? Those are ribs right there.
Ooh.
Pretty cool, huh? That means they've been working on this all day. Alright, let me move that.
We should put this on your YouTube.
Oh, it's going on my YouTube. Alright, what can we see? I literally, earlier, because the birds were alive this morning. I went to work, I got rained out, came home, gone a couple hours, and they were literally dead. Which sucked.
I heard him this morning.
Yeah. But this guy, literally, I had him. Alright, let me see this. I put him under here at the exact same time as this one. See, that one is literally still there. But he had flies on him, and I didn't want flies all over here. And I didn't want Megan, you know, the bitch that there's flies on her porch because I'm doing my weird shit. But literally, I put this guy right under here, right under this grass. Because I knew these bugs would get right to it. But I didn't know they would eat this bird like that. I just think that is the coolest thing. And honestly, I thought the worms would get to them, not the potato bugs.
Maybe
Or
it's
even the
'cause-
springtails I would get to them.
Maybe it's because they're baby birds. Maybe.
Maybe softer skin tissue. Yeah, but
Caterpillar?
I don't know. There's something inside of it. What is that? I wonder if there's worms
Why does it
inside
keep
of them.
doing that?
I don't know. Alright. Do zoom the beam in.
It is.
No.
Now it is.
No, that's zoomed out. Look, hold it. 2 hands. There, see how it's getting smaller? There we go.
That zoomed in.
Yep, that's zoomed in. That way we can put the spotlight literally right on it.
Now you can see it better.
Yeah. Looks like there's little baby springtails or potato bugs inside of it. They got this micro lens you can put on your iPhone so you can see up close. I'm gonna have to get one of them.
Yeah, because yours ain't working right.
No, it's too grainy. I'm not liking it.
It's too what?
Grainy. Pixelated. I still think it's cool how they're like burying it. They're pulling it under the earth. Literally just going to town on it.
I should make a YouTube account.
Yeah, you should.
I don't know how you do it though.
I'll show you.
I'll have to.
Well, you got an email, so that's all you need is an email, a Gmail.
Yeah, I have one. But I'll have to ask, like, I could probably ask Sammy to help me with it.
Yeah.
Because Kenzie's not there no more. But she knew how to make them. I don't think Sammy does.
I'm sure she does.
Guess I'll find out. Even if she's even there.
Man, look at them ribs. That is cool. And then we just got this guy.
Lonely.
Lonely old chick. Well, there's one. Oh, the potato bug took off.
Scared. Where's your other ones that were in here?
I got one out there on the plywood out there by the moss. Just curious to see how it decays from like the flies and other insects. And then I got one out there on the hill.
Where you kind of where you buried the
Chicken, kinda, yeah.
Just
I got a couple of them in different spots just to see how they decay and whatnot. Like this bird, this chick, I put literally under that piece of grass, and it is literally, I'd say, good 80% gone. Like, that is pretty cool. They're just munching down on it.
because they ain't full.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put that grass. That down on it.
What is it?
I'm gonna cover it up. We'll come check it tomorrow. And then that one I'm gonna just leave like that. Like, look, that potato bug came back out. Literally just sitting there, munching away on some skin. Just enjoying on my meal. Alright, now let's go out here and do what we're supposed to do before we got sidetracked.